everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for Vlogmas Day 12. In today's video, I'm organizing and decluttering my dresser, and I'm also giving you some extreme laundry folding motivation. I started with making my bed because I will be folding all of my clothes on the bed, so I wanted to take care of that first.
And everything is so hazy. It is just you and I. And everything is so, so call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you when I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can.
Now I'm taking everything off the upper shelf. Here I have my pants. I will go through them and fold everything nicely.
You're one of a kind. Nobody's breaking your spirit. You're looking so fine. Nobody's breaking your. You're keeping up with steps I take, so we just dance alone. Yeah, we dance like no one's watching. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you when I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you when I want more.
Now that everything is folded, I will just dust the shelf before I put everything back inside, and I divide my pants into 3 piles. One is leggings, which I roll together because I like to store them that way. Next pile is my sweatpants, and the last one is jeans. I had some of my jeans and sweatpants in the laundry ready to be washed, so that's why it looks kind of empty. Now I'm taking everything off the bottom shelf, and the real mess was down here. I was so good with keeping my dresser nice and organized for almost entire year. I think I organized this dresser in the first video I posted in 2020, and it stayed organized until last month. Now that everything is out, I will go through everything and decide what I'm throwing away.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on to midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause
And now I have a lot of folding ahead of me. First I'm taking care of my sweaters and long sleeve shirts, and then I will do the tank tops.
To get everyone to see me, I play my games. But I just end up looking like a showcase. I having myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting really scared of heights. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
Now I'm starting with the t-shirts, and I organized my t-shirts into 3 separate piles. One is oversized or old t-shirts, which I sleep in most of the time. The second one is my nice t-shirts, which I wear when I'm going out. And the last pile are my everyday t-shirts. Here are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of. I usually don't throw my clothes away until they're ripped or discolored, or if they don't fit. I always try to wear them until they're ruined. Even if I don't like them anymore, I will still wear them at home when I'm cleaning or doing something that could ruin them. And now I'm just finishing with dusting the rest of the dresser. I also had to fold 2 loads of laundry, so I will do that now to give you some extra laundry motivation.
Just wanna hear you say that you want me to. I told you I can't get you off my mind. Come let me hold you now. I wanna lay in your arms. Come let me love you now. Yeah, you're the one that I want. I wanna stay here. I wanna stay here with you. I wanna stay here with you. La, 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 la.
You are the one that I will call when I'm drunk. You are the one that I just need to feel loving. You saved me from the broken house that I built. You took me in with open arms, and I still want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to be in love at 20 years old. We kiss in the rain till we catch a cold. Some say that love don't hurt, but I want you back, back, cause I got you stuck in my memory. I got you stuck in my memory. It's 2 a.m. and I can't sleep without you. And every wall is getting close, and I don't know what to do. Can't you save my soul? Can't you save my soul? Can't you mend my heart? Can't you mend my heart? I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Yeah, I want you back, back, want you back, back, back. Some say that love don't hurt, but I've got you stuck in my memory. Some say that hearts come first, but they've never known what it's like to